Hey beauties, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into stunning cold girl makeup look using some fabulous product from Beauty Rilla London. Get ready to turn heads with this extra glowy and mesmerizing makeup tutorial. To kick things off, we are starting with Shuiqi Extra Glow Vitamin E Oil. This lightweight oil not only hydrate but also give radiant boost, creating perfect canvas for our cold girl glam. Next up, let's even out our complexion with Skintint's Get Glowing Skin Tint BB Foundation. It is velvety texture, provides a flawless base, leaving your skin naturally radiant. Now let's conceal and highlight with Skintint's Naked Reloaded Cream Concealer Palette. With a range of shades, it's a perfect for contouring and brightening specific areas, ensuring a flawless base. For that cute flush of color, grab our marker lip and cheek tint. This multi-purpose product adds a subtle rosy hue to both your lips and cheek, tying to look together. Now it's time to glow. Sweep over the face-to-face Glow Baked Highlighter Palette for an ethereal shimmer. Build it up for an intense glow or keep it subtle. The choice is yours. This beautiful shimmery highlighter available in 4 shades. Let us define those eyes with the Shade Story Eye Flash Liner. So this liner creates a captivating cold girl wing with a breeze, flaunt that fierce gaze. No look is complete without lashes. Coat your lashes with our Shade Story Volume Lash Party 2-in-1 Mascara for that extra drama and intensity. And finally, don't forget those lips. Hydrate and add a hint of sheen with Vitamin E Lip Balm, perfect for a cold girl pout that lasts all day. Tada! There you have it beauties, our cold girl makeup look featuring these incredible Beauty Rilla London products. Whether you are embracing the winter chill or heating up the night, this look is sure to make you stand out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, let us know your favorite cold girl essential in comments below.